Alright everybody, let's put a ride or die Supermoto tire kit on this Tuttio. So I'm going to start by just taking the old tire off, remove the stock axle, pull that bushing out, pull the tire out, pull that other bushing out. You can set those off to the side. Let's take this rotor off and put it on our new tire. Get rid of that tire. Alright. We'll bring in our new Supermoto tire here. Take a look at this rotor. It's got holes drilled here for the bolt head to sit in so that it sits flush. The other side doesn't, so you can tell which side the rotor needs to sit in. And we'll get that rotor started. Get those nice and tight. Alright. Now, your kit came with 2 axle bushings shaped like that. One goes in each side. Just push them in with your finger on both sides of the tire. Just like that. Then your kit came with 2 wheel bushings, one big one, one small one. I'm going to put that I'm going to put the large one on the brake side. And put the small one on the non-brake side. And I'm going to reuse that stock axle. I'm going to tighten that axle up real tight. So, just like that.